Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GCP Google Cloud Platform. Today we are going to learn how to set up the WordPress to your Google Cloud. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, we need WordPress. So whatever I have downloaded to this directory, I need to delete it. Okay, so here we have all the things. So let's delete this one. Delete. Delete this also. Index.html, delete. Okay, let's try to set up the WordPress. Okay, so I think in the downloads we have already the WordPress, right? Let me check this. We have WordPress. I think we have the WordPress 6.3. So here we have the WordPress files. Okay, so let's upload this WordPress files into this. GitHub MySQL part we have already done. Those who haven't watched my previous video that how I have created the user, so you need to check out this one, because in that case here we are going to connect to the MySQL DB also. Okay, so once it uploaded, so now we can move to the next process. Only how many files we have? 23. Okay, so you have to directly upload this one, or you can upload the zip and unzip that one. That is also a suitable option. In the meanwhile, let's download the adminer to check the options and everything is done or not. So let's download this adminer over here, because we haven't installed the phpMyAdmin over here, right? Adminer to check the database, everything is there or not. So download this adminer. Okay, so let's go and upload this into this FTP. Once it's done, let's try to connect to the FTP also at the same. Or almost done. So let's remove this and let's try to upload the another one also, where we have adminer. Download is not there. Let's drag and drop this then. Let's see, adminer is available. I think it's in the list to upload. Just 1 minute more, I suppose. Now it's completed. Okay, I think a banner is coming over here. Let's rename this. Okay, let's try to assess this one. How many folders we have opened? Okay, so let's open this one. Your PHP installation appears the missing MySQL extension which is required by the WordPress. Please check the MySQL extension is enabled or not. So we have to check this extension should be enabled. So let's install this one extension. So let me go and pause. Now you can see that it's enabled what I have done. So if it is not enabled or something, so you have to go and check this one. So you have to install this one. If it is not there, sudo apt install php 8.2 mysql, then make sure you have to restart the Apache. I think maybe I forgot to restart the Apache, right? You have to install this, then restart the Apache, and after this you are able to get this screen, this one setup. Okay, let's go. So database name, let us create that one database name. I think I haven't created this one, so let's go and log in with adminer.php. Okay, let's log in, and username I have put this one. Okay, database I don't know, so I am logged in. Okay, so let's create the database. So I'm going to create the database WordPress. Okay, save this. Access denied for the user admin at the local to database to WordPress. So database has been created to the WordPress, right? Let's go. WordPress username, that is admin. Password I need to add. Okay, localhost and the WP. Save. Run the installation. Site title, hello world. Username, admin. Password, I will make something another one. Okay, confirm using the weak password. Your email, I will put my email address. Okay, discover a search engine, install WordPress. So it's done, right? Login. So here you can see that we can log in with the username and the password. We have successfully logged into the WordPress admin, and we have successfully create or upload the WordPress website to the GCP. Right here you can see that. Just visit the website, and here you can see everything is there. Okay, right. So we have successfully uploaded the website WordPress. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.